And Michelle.
And we are Adventures Ahead. And today we're doing a treats box, but this is opened.
It's tampered.
There might be an animal in here. Look at it. But it's to
be fair, Josh just opened the rest of it. About this much of it was open.
There's only a little corner left, so I need a knife.
Well, you just needed your finger a second ago. Stop! Stop! You're gonna hurt yourself. Was that necessary?
I don't know. I don't know what.
I think we have a nice one.
What flag is this?
I forget.
I can't remember.
I remember we were like, oh, we know what it is. And now I don't. Because we don't know flags.
No. We didn't learn nothing.
Oh, Greece.
Oh, Greece. Here's this. Whoa.
Oh.
Okay, go ahead.
Greece is sunny and beautiful.
You don't have to read the whole thing, but
it's
show them the picture.
Oh, sunny.
Up here.
An exceedingly beautiful country located in southeastern Europe.
Okay, so we got some Greek facts here. Population is 10 million, almost 11 million. Language, of course, is Greek. Capital is Athens. Climate, mild, wet winters, hot, dry summers. National holiday, Independence Day, March 25th. Did you know the first Olympic Games started in the year 776 BC in Greece? No, I didn't know that. Yeah, I probably did, but I forgot it. The world's first democracy was instituted in the Greek city-state of Athens. Wow. Okay, Greek is the oldest written language still in existence. Wow. Mm. There's a clue for next month, but we won't talk about that right now.
Oh, I love this.
Oh.
Baklava.
Oh, this is good.
We both like that.
Yeah.
That's not the kind of baklava I know about, though.
Pause it, and you can get the recipe.
What I know is about a pastry that's rolled together with almond stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm. Maybe you can make that.
You know, this is not that, though. This is a cake.
I don't like cake, and I don't eat cake, and I don't want cake.
Yeah. The baklava I know about is way different. It's a pastry with almond stuff.
Okay, some interesting stuff in here. We'll save those for last. Okay, so...
Is that a hot dog?
Here!
Oh.
Show them.
Chocofretta.
Chocofretta is our wafer bars featuring alternating layers of milk chocolate and crumbly wafer, covered by a chocolate exterior. These wafers are an all-time favorite in Greece, with higher sales than any other Greek confection.
Just one big wafer.
Okay, I'll take a bite.
Yeah, just take bites. You took the biggest bite.
Mmm.
Oh, you're spilling.
Mmm.
Okay.
Mmm.
I don't... What's in there? Chocolate?
Yep. Now you took another big bite.
I took two small bites.
Two big bites. Okay. We might as well get this one out of the way.
It's not super sweet, but it is good.
So, show these. Ooh. It's like a generic packaging. But what's it called?
It's called Toffee Double Fruity Candies.
By Olympic Candy. Toffee Double Fruit Candies are a soft and chewy toffee with 2 fruits per piece of candy. For example, one half could be cherry, the other half could be orange. Ooh.
Oh. These are hard candies?
Nope, soft. Oh, this one's banana and cherry.
This is apricot and pear. This is cherry and orange.
Oh, these look good. So this is banana.
Oh, pineapple and coconut.
This is banana. That's like being in the tropics, Michelle.
Yeah, I'm having this one. Is it saltwater taffy?
No.
Oh.
Wow. These are really good, guys.
Tastes like I'm on a cruise.
Yeah, man. I want to try the peach and pear.
You could try this.
Oh, there's 2 of each kind.
Yeah. You want this?
You don't like it?
No, I do like it, but I said you could have it. I'm trying to be good about my eating again.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Tastes like a pina colada.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Okay.
Oh.
Show it.
It looks like a pig in a blanket. A soft croissant.
It's called Choco Fretta. Our wafer bars feature an alternate layer. Oh, no. Whoops, sorry. That's the wrong one. Chocolate Croissant by 7 Days. Chocolate Croissant is 7 days. A rich, soft, and flaky croissant filled with rich chocolate cream. They are perfect to be enjoyed with breakfast or with a cup of coffee or milk or tea.
They smell good. Mmm. I could eat this whole thing.
It's like a donut?
Oh, it smells so good. Smell it.
No.
Take a big bite. Get the chocolate.
I didn't puncture the chocolate.
Isn't it a pastry good, though? It smells like it'd be good. I don't want to puncture the chocolate. Oh. Mm-mm.
So, I was going to try to show them. I feel like
that's kind of false advertisement. Look how much chocolate's in that. I thought it was a hot dog. It was so thick.
The bread's really soft.
Yeah. I'll have another bite, though. I'll have another bite.
Did you hear the joke I said? But I won't repeat it.
The bread's really soft?
Nothing.
What's the joke?
Okay.
What's the joke?
So next up we have this.
Oh.
Quit, leave it alone. It's trying to be good.
I want another bite of it.
It's Mantoloto soft nougat. It's a soft and chewy nugget with a creamy honey flavor. This traditional confection is combined with dried fruit and nuts to create an array of flavors that will satisfy your sweet
Why
tooth.
do they send you monster things? Like this is like a...
It said fruit and nuts. I don't see no fruit.
I see fruit in there, dried fruit.
What is it? No, it just says peanut.
Oh.
With honey.
Is it good? It doesn't look that good.
Mmm. I taste the honey and the nuts. Not bad. Not anything I'd eat all the time.
Not good.
I wouldn't say it's bad, though. I like the nut. When you get the nuts, it's better.
So I should have another bite with more nuts?
Yeah, right there. The biggest bites I've ever seen anybody take of any candy bar. I don't think it's that bad.
It's okay.
We like getting these treats box, and this is like, what, 20 bucks a month?
I think it's less. I don't know how much this is actually.
You're like, I don't know. Oh, God, where'd I put that card for later? Oh, over here. Okay, hold that up. This is called Baloo. Baloo. It's butter caramel candies that are both crunchy yet chewy in texture, containing an incredible rich and milky caramel flavor. They are one of Greek's favorite caramel candy bars. It's not a candy bar. Brands. Oh, okay, so it looks like a Werther's Original.
I thought it looked like a Werther's. Mmm. Tastes like a little bit like a Werther's Original.
It's a Werther's Original. Oh, it's not exactly like a Werther's Original, but it's pretty close.
Werther's Originals are more...
This is really creamy.
I like the Werther's.
Yeah, these are really good. Get you some of these. Okay, so time to say what was your favorite, Michelle?
The croissant.
My favorite was these candy Taffies. Yep.
What was your least
Well,
favorite?
I can't pick mine? Well, what do you want me to pick, Michelle? What's my favorite? Tell me what my favorite is. Tell me.
I'm so surprised.
I like these. Look how covered the colorful they are. Least favorite, I'm saying this is my least favorite.
Good, I can eat the rest of it. Mine is this.
Okay.
The nougat.
So next time, what is that? Clues for next month. Next month's treats come from a country filled with lush forests and jungles. This country is also famously known as the Land of Smiles and noted to be tuk-tuk bikes. They're most common from the transportation in this country. In addition, this country has approximately 3,500 temples and is home to the smallest mammal in the world. Last but not least, this country has incredibly beautiful beaches, which are in part popular tourist attractions.
India?
I was going to say India, but what the hell is that? Like, what the hell is that thing?
Is that a temple?
I'll say Philippines. What are you going to say?
I said India.
Okay.
We're going to look that picture up.
That's it, guys. Another snack box and the books. We always have fun doing these. People seem to like you know.
Whatevs.
No one's wrote that we needed a box of fruit, so that's good.
We know, so.
You don't need to tell us.
I'm gonna eat the rest of this.
No. No.
Ah! Don't snatch it! Bye.
Bye.